Welcome back everybody. Now this is a follow-up video to the inverter problems that I had in the previous video. I said to you that I think I'd found a good company, Oval Renewables, and by heck it is a good company. Reliability, constant contact with them, emails, booked an appointment. Jess, who's in the office, I asked how they need to pay, sent all the details. She said, don't worry about that, nothing to pay on the day, I'll send you an invoice, pay online banking. I thought that's absolutely brilliant. Emails to and fro to sort it out. She said, right, when can we come? Is it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week? Which is the week of the 20th, and I said, yep, I'll look at my diary. And I said, what about Thursday, 10 o'clock? It's now Thursday, and 10 o'clock, as the old saying is, never too late, never too early, only in the nick of. They were here at 10 o'clock, bang on the nail, these two lads. It was Josh and Dean that came. I asked them if I could mention the names. They said by all means, yeah. The lads came in, they did the tests on it, found that the panels are producing, the mains to the unit, so it's dead in the water is the inverter. They rang the helpline, the installer helpline, got in touch with a gentleman at the other end. I can't remember his name, but really helpful guy. It will not more than 5 minutes of the phone initially being answered, which is in this day and age is amazing for a helpline. And he went through it, and he had to send him. This is why you have to have a qualified installer for Solaredge. And what they did then, and the company Oval Renewables actually fit Solaredge, along with other ones, but they actually fit Solaredge. And he said he requested photographs of the meter testing various items on the board, on the mains, and he sent all that, little lad, and it ended up, yes, it's faulty, not a problem. They still do a 3 kilowatt one. It's not like that with a screen on, it's slightly smaller, but it is a replacement module for it, so I ain't bothered about that. It's equivalent to what this is, except it's smaller. Josh did say that if he'd have said replace with a 3.6 kilowatt, which was the next one, he said I'd have put you one in. It's in the van. I've got one in the van. I'd have done the swap up, changed the serial numbers, job done. That's how efficient this company is. Now in this day and age with renewable energy, and as I found out by the number of emails that I've sent to companies, and they haven't even had the respect to answer you, and it's business at the end of the day. These lads answered, the company answered, and as I say, I think it's the boss, he said, that does the videos on YouTube, and that's where I picked it up from. And the quality of service so far is, yeah, it's incredible really. This day and age, with as much bad service that's out there, these lads supplied the service, and the two, as I say, two smashing lads. And what's happening now is they've said the case has been done, the replacement, the warranty case. They're sending now is Solaredge a new inverter to equivalent inverter to their company, and then soon as that gets in there, it might be a 2 week, might be 3 weeks, I ain't bothered. It's been fixed, and they said if it comes in on a Monday we'll fit it that week, but he said obviously if it comes in late in a week we'll have to juggle it to install it. I said to him, problem, I'm in your hands. When it comes in, let me know, I'll arrange a date, have it fit. So that's the stage we're at the moment. I think I've been lucky in falling with this company. As I say, I did contact by phone some of the other companies that were recommended. They no longer fit Solaredge, or they're out of business, or as I said in the previous video, one gentleman said, oh yeah, we'll come out, it's about £300 to £400. Well, it's nowhere near that for these guys to come out here. And one thing about the warranty is it's a limited warranty, which means the unit is replaced if found faulty, but you have to pay for the labour. That's fine, and, you know, this day and age with warranties, as I said, I've won the problem of an item in the house at the moment, and that is horrendous, of which I'm doing a video on. But this, yeah, Solaredge helpline works. Oval Renewables here, bang on time. 2 lads in, did the all the testing, all the feedback to the helpline at Solaredge. Bingo, I've got one when it comes in under warranty. That's what you need. That's when you have reputable products fitted, or you purchase reputable products and you get it fit by a reputable company. And I think, well, I know so far this company's hit the nail on the head with a good reliable service. Josh and Dean, credit to you lads. You were here, well, they were here early, but I tried to wave them in the reverse onto the end of the street, and they said, oh no, you said 10 o'clock, we didn't want to, but they were here early, those lads. So yeah, anybody thinking of renewable, I can certainly recommend their service. So Oval Renewables, I'll put a link under the video, the name, so then you've got it. So I'll keep you updated with another follow-on video to when they've installed the new unit, and then we'll go from there. So as I always say, thumbs up, like and subscribe, notification, and until next time, as I always say, be safe, be careful, and bye for now. Bye.